Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the flash warning effect thing on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera, and if you're looking for the filter here in the effect gallery, you will not get the effect here in TikTok because this effect is from a different app. So to get this one, you can go to your app store, and in app store you can search for this app Mega Photo. I have already installed this app, so let's open. Okay, when you open this app you will see the screen. Now slide right and go till 8:57. Okay, this is the effect. Okay, so when you open this effect, from here you can record a video, and if you want a video from your camera roll, you can tap here more option, then you can tap on this center and browse photo or video from your camera roll. So this is a video, let's browse this one. Okay, and it's ready, and to save the video just tap on this record button and you are done. So let's go to gallery. Okay, this is the video. So now what we'll do, we'll go to TikTok. Okay, in TikTok this is the upload button, just tap there. This is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Okay, if you want to edit something here, you can do the editing, and you can hit next, and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this flash warning thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.